Good morning, dear students. Let's start tangents and normals. This is one of the application of derivatives and this is lecture second. So students, let's start. First, here I am sharing you the working rule of the questions. Equation of curve is given and then we have to find the derivative of curve to get the slope of tangent. And after that you have to put the point in the slope of tangent at which the tangent touches the curve. Suppose students, here we have a curve and a straight line that meets the curve in just one point. Students, suppose we have a curve and a straight line that touches the curve at just one point, and this point is suppose x1 y1, and at that point we have to find the slope of tangent, and after that we have to find the equation of tangent at point that is given point x1 y1, and with slope m, y minus y1 is equals to dy over dx x minus x1. So students, in this way, by using this working rule, we will solve the questions. Now students, here we have question number 1. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Here curve is y is equals to 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x at x is equals to 4. Students, you can see here the diagram. Here black is the curve and red is the tangent. You can see this line touches the curve at just one point. So student, we have to find the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent के लिए students हमें find करना है derivative, and in the derivative we have to put the point x is equals to 4. So students, in the question point is not given, exactly coordinate is not given, only x is given, abscissa is given, we have to find ordinate. So let's start. Y is equals to 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x, and we know that slope of tangent dy over dx. First find the slope. Derivative of x raised to power 4 is 4x cube. In this way we get 12x cube. Derivative of 4x is 4. So students, in this way we get the derivative. But student, remember one thing. This is the derivative of, this is the slope of all the tangents that meet at one point to the curve. But we have to find the slope of that tangent which cuts the line, which meets the line at x is equals to 4. For that we have to put this point. Put x is equals to 4, then we get 12 into 4 raised to power 3 minus 4. So students, in this way we get answer 764. Thus slope of tangent is 764 at x is equals to 4. Now students, here we have question number 2, and by using the working rule that I have already explained to you, find the slope of tangent to the curve. This is similar question, and here the curve is y is equals to x minus 1 over x minus 2. Here x is not equal to 2, but we have to find the slope of tangent at x is equals to 2. Students, x not equal to 2 is the is given, and what do you mean by this? If we put x is equals to 2 in this curve, then we get infinity. So students, this we can also say that this is the singularity. That's new word, singularity. Singularity students हम किसे कहते हैं? If we put the point and at that point if curve becomes infinity, then in this way we get that singularity point. But students, हमें accept the value 2, we can put any value, that is valid. But हमें tangent का slope निकालना है at point x is equals to 2. So y is equals to x minus 1 over x minus 2. We know that slope of tangent is dy over dx. So by using the quotient rule, we will solve this one. Here denominator as it is, derivative of numerator is 1 minus numerator x minus 1 as it is, derivative of denominator x minus 2 is also 1 divided by square of denominator. So students, in this way we get here derivative minus 1 over x minus 2 whole squared. Now we have to find find the slope of tangent at point x is equals to 2. So students, put here x is equals to 10. Mention in the statement that we have to find for x is equals to 10. So put x is equals to 10. We get dy over dx is equals to minus 1 over square root of 8. And this is the slope of tangent at x is equals to 10 is minus 1 over 64. Now students, here we have question number 3rd. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y is equals to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. So student, this is similar question. First, here we have curve x cube minus x plus 1. We know that slope of tangent is dy over dx. So find derivative. Derivative of x cube is 3x squared and derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0. We need to find dy over dx at the point whose x coordinate is 2. So in this way, put x is equals to 2 in the slope, and here we get 3 into 2 squared minus 1, 3 into 4 12, 12 minus 1 we get 11. Hence slope of tangent is 11. So students, in this way today we have completed 3 questions, and hopefully all of you understand the concept how to get the slope of tangent and what is slope, what is normal to the curve. So students, stay at home, stay healthy, and thank you for watching the complete video.